Alright guys, you've been watching my new exhaust system on my Tiburon 05, my Batmobile. I'm gonna show you what I use. I use a Magnaflow oval with the 2.2¼ Magnaflow all stock tubing from the factory. You can see, not bigger or smaller. Alright. Then you kind of notice the tips. They're off of Mustangs, GTOs, Trans Ams, Camaros, Chargers, Challengers, muscle cars. I got these on eBay for both pair. Alright, let's go underneath. Remove my old fart cans. Just made them straight pipe. Factory white pipe. Everything's all factory. You can see Magnaflow straight pipes right here with DC heads, DC headers. Alright, I'm gonna test them out and hopefully you like it, and sooner or later I'm gonna make a drive-by video and how it sounds like. Alright, cold start. Alright, thanks guys for watching and have a nice day. Hopefully you guys like it. I will add more description on my YouTube, and thank you.